Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Okay, our chapter name is integers. Under the chapters, already we have completed properties of addition, properties of subtraction, properties of multiplication, then properties of division. Now we are seeing about problems based on operation of integers, right? Already we have completed many problems. Today's problem is page number 16. Okay, page number 16, example 14. This is the today's problem. Page number 16, example 14. Okay, we can start the class. Our question is, in Shimla, the temperature at noon was 12 degrees Celsius above zero. If the temperature drops at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, how much time would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius? Also calculate the temperature at midnight. Again, I am reading the question. Listen carefully. In Shimla, the temperature at noon was 12 degrees Celsius above zero. It is the initial temperature, okay? Then, if the temperature drops at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour, the temperature is drops. Drop means it is decreasing 4 degrees Celsius per hour. It is decreasing 4 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. 1 hour, it is the temperature is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is decreasing until midnight. Then, how much time would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius? At first the temperature is decreasing 4 degrees Celsius, then again it is decreasing 4 degrees Celsius. Finally the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, degrees up to 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to find how much time it would take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, initially our temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, then it is decreasing. The final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. The initial temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, then our final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. It decreases, no, from 12 to 4 it is decreasing. So we are going to calculate how much time would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. How much time it would take the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. Already I have told, for 1 hour how many temperature is decreasing? For 1 hour it is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, 1 hour the temperature decreases to 4 degrees Celsius. So we are going to find how much time it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, next one more question. Again we are going to calculate the temperature at midnight. Also calculate the temperature at midnight. Okay, we can start the problem. First step is temperature at noon. In Shimla, the temperature at noon was, the temperature is 12 degrees Celsius now. So first step, temperature at noon. Temperature at noon. Noon means what is the time? Noon means what is the time? How will you define by noon? It is 12 p.m. right? Temperature at 12 noon is equal to how many degrees Celsius? It is 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, so temperature at noon is 12 noon is equal to 12 degree Celsius. Then if the temperature drops at rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour, so the temperature is decreasing for 4 degrees Celsius per hour. So temperature drop in, next step is temperature drop in 1 hour. 1 hour. For 1 hour, how many? 1 hour, what is the rate of temperature decreasing? Rate of decrease temperature is, it is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. No, it is decreasing. So I am writing it as minus 4 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 4 degree Celsius. If the temperature drops at the rate of 4 degree, it drops at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. For 1 hour, the temperature is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature drop in 1 hour is equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius because it is decreasing. So I am mentioning it as minus 4 degree Celsius. Okay. So next is, how much temperature would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius? Initially, the temperature is starting from 12 degrees Celsius. Finally, it is reaching the temperature as 4 degrees Celsius. So, this 4 degrees Celsius is the final temperature. Okay. So, final temperature is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. The final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Do you understand the question? The temperature at 12 noon is 12 degrees Celsius. Temperature drop in 1 hour is 4 degrees Celsius. Then our final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to find how much time would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. How much time the temperature drop from 12 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, because initially our temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, then it decreases to 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to find the time taken. Understand? Understand? Okay. Okay, now we are going to find the time taken by using the number line. Then it will be easy, okay? If you draw a number line, means it will be easy to find the time taken, okay? First, draw a number line. First, see the initial temperature. What is the initial temperature? That is 12 degrees Celsius. So, initial temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. So, mark here, okay? This is 12 degrees Celsius. Then, our final temperature is... What is the final temperature? Final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, right? So, it is 4 degrees Celsius. The initial temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. Then, our final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature is decreasing from 12 to 4. We are going to find the time taken. Okay, how time taken would it take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so next one important point, temperature drop in 1 hour is minus 4 degrees Celsius. In 1 hour the temperature decreases to minus 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so starting from 12 degrees 4 numbers, that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for 1 hour it decreases to minus 4 degrees Celsius. So 1 2 3 4, it comes to 8. Okay, in 1 hour it decreases to 8. Next, what is the final temperature? The temperature is 4, right? Then again it is decreasing. Next, 1 2 3 4. Next to 1 hour it is decreases to another 4 degrees Celsius. Now we reach the final temperature, right? The initial temperature is 12, then our final temperature is 4. The temperature decreases in 1 hour is 4 degrees Celsius. So 1 2 3 4, at 1 hour it comes to 8 degrees Celsius. Then again 1 hour, 1 2 3 4, it comes to 4 degrees Celsius. We reach the final temperature, right? What's the total time taken for 1 hour? 1 hour. Total 1 plus 1, totally how many hours? Yes, time taken is 2 hours. 1 plus 1, 2. So, our answer, time taken is equal to 2 hours. Do you all understand? We have completed the first part. So, the temperature at 12 noon is 12 degrees Celsius. The temperature drops in 1 hour is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Then our final temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to find the time taken. Time would take for the temperature drop at 4 degrees Celsius. For that, we have drawn a number line. So, initial temperature is 12. Mark the 12. Then our final temperature is 4. Okay, this is the temperature. So first, for 1 hour it is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. From starting from 12, count 4. 1 degrees 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, it comes to 8. It is 1 hour. Then again we are going to decreasing 4 values. So 1 2 3 4, we reach the final temperature. So 1 plus 1, 2 hours. Do you all understand? This is a time taken. Time taken is 2 hours. Understand? So we have completed our first part. The second part is calculate the temperature at midnight. Calculate the temperature at midnight. Okay, this is the second part. We are going to calculate the temperature at midnight. For that, first write temperature at 12 noon. Same step. Temperature at 12 noon. Temperature at 12 noon. What is the temperature at 12 noon? Already we have seen the temperature at 12 noon is 12 degrees Celsius. So it is 12 degrees Celsius. So temperature at 12 noon is 12 degrees Celsius. It is given the question. Next, from 12 noon to midnight. From 12 noon to midnight, how many hours are there? From 12 noon to midnight, how many hours? From 12 noon to 12 midnight, how many hours? 12 noon means it is 12 p.m., right? 12 p.m. to midnight means 12 a.m., right? From 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. How many hours are there in between 12 p.m. to 12 a.m.? Can you able to guess? This is a clock, right? It is 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. What is the difference between that 12 p.m. and 12 a.m.? 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. It is, yes, 12 hours. The difference is 12 hours. Okay, from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. the difference is 12 hours. Understand? Okay. Next, temperature decreasing in 1 hour. Temperature decreasing in 1 hour. Already we have seen how many degrees Celsius it is decreasing. The temperature drops at a rate of 4 degrees Celsius per hour. For 1 hour it is decreasing to 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 4 degrees Celsius. 1 hour it is decreasing to minus 4 degrees Celsius. How will you find for 12 hours? For 1 hour minus 4 degrees Celsius. For 12 hours how many, what is the temperature decreasing? Rate of temperature decreases. 1 hour it is 4 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Celsius. For 12 hours it is 12 into minus 4. Okay, it is 12 into minus 4. What is 12 into minus 4? 12 into minus 4 degrees Celsius is minus 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, 12 into minus 4 degrees Celsius is minus 48 degrees Celsius. First temperature at noon is 12 degrees Celsius. From 12 noon to 12 midnight, the different time difference is 12 hours. Okay, then temperature decreasing in 1 hour is minus 4 degrees Celsius. We are going to find for 12 hours. So 12 hours is equal to 12 into minus 4 degrees Celsius, that is minus 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, next we are going to find the temperature at midnight. That is the second question, right? Temperature at midnight. What is the temperature, da? Temperature at midnight, how will you find? What's the temperature at noon? What is the temperature at noon? The temperature at noon is 12 degrees Celsius plus temperature decreasing in 12 hours. Okay, temperature decreasing in 12 hours. What's the temperature decreasing in 12 hours? It is minus 48 degree Celsius. So temperature at midnight is equal to temperature at 12 noon plus temperature decreasing in 12 hours. Okay, this is temperature decreasing in 12 hours. Temperature decreasing in 12 hours is equal to 12 into minus 4 degrees Celsius, that is minus 48 degrees Celsius. Temperature at midnight is equal to 12 degrees Celsius plus minus 48 degrees Celsius. Next, 12 degrees Celsius minus into, sorry, plus into minus is minus 48 degrees Celsius. So 12 minus 48, both the numbers are having different signs. So first subtract both the numbers. 48 minus 12. What is 48 minus 12? It is 36. So 36. What is the greater number sign? It is minus. So minus 36 degrees Celsius. So our answer, temperature at midnight is minus 36 degrees Celsius. Temperature at midnight is minus 36 degree Celsius. Do you all understand? Do you have any doubt in this problem? Students, do you have any doubt in this problem? Okay, next problem also same model, little some differences are there. Okay, this is the exercise problem. The exercise is in the page number 17. Okay, page number 17, fourth question, C. Okay, we can start the problem. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So it is the initial temperature. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, for 1 hour, it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? At what time? They are asking the exact time. what they asked in the previous question. In the previous question, what they have asked, how much time would it take? We have found the time taken. Here they are asking the exact time. Okay, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What is the meaning for below zero? Below zero means it is a negative value, so it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? So it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So our initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, then our final temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. We are going to find at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Then one more question is there, what would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, same model problem. Listen carefully. What is the first step? First, they have given temperature at 12 noon. So temperature at 12 noon is, what is the temperature? The temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, so temperature drop in 1 hour. Temperature drop in 1 hour. What's the rate of temperature? It is 2 degrees Celsius. For 1 hour, it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. Next, our final temperature. What is our final temperature? Our initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. What is the final temperature? Here it is given. The temperature, what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Here in the question they have given it as below zero. So it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Above zero means it is a positive number. Below zero means it is a negative number. Okay, below zero, so it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So our initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The final temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Initially the temperature is starting from 10 degrees Celsius, then it is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Then our final temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. We are going to find the exact time. At what time would the temperature be minus 8 degrees Celsius? Okay, understand? Same, we are going to follow the number line. Okay, we are going to follow the number line. Okay, we are going to follow the number line. What is our initial temperature? The initial temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Where is 10 degrees Celsius? Here it is 10 degrees Celsius. At what time? At what time 10 degrees Celsius? It is 12 noon, right? 12 noon means what is the time? 12 noon means what is the time? It is 12 p.m., right? So it starts from 12 p.m. Okay, then it is decreasing. How many degrees Celsius for 1 hour? For 1 hour it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 1 hour it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. For 1 hour it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. Now it is, what is the time? Here it is 12 p.m. If you are adding 1 means next it is 1 p.m. Okay, again it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. It is 2 p.m. Then 3 p.m. We are decreasing 2. Okay, 4 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. We need to decrease up to minus 8 degrees Celsius. It is minus 2. Then again 2, 7 p.m. Then again 2, 8 p.m. Then again 2. Now we reached our final temperature, right? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. It is, our time is 9 p.m. So what is the time? What is the time? At what time we reach the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius? The time is 9 p.m. So time we reached is 9 p.m. Understand? Do you all understand? Yes, for start, we need to start from the initial temperature, that is 10 degrees Celsius. At 10 degrees Celsius, what is the time? The time is 12 p.m., right? Because in the question they have given it as 12 noon. 12 noon means it is 12 p.m. Okay, from 12 p.m. we are starting. For For 1 hour it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for 1 hour it is decreasing to 2 degrees Celsius, so I am subtracting 2. So 1 hour, if you are adding 1 hour to 12 p.m. means what is the time? It is 1 p.m, then 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m. At last, when you are coming to 9 p.m, we get the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius. So time is equal to 9 p.m. Time is 9 p.m. Understand? Understand? Next, what is given? What they ask in the question? What would be the temperature at midnight? We are going to find the temperature at midnight. In the previous problem, already we have seen how to find the temperature at midnight, right? Same method we are going to follow. First, write temperature at 12 noon. Temperature at 12 noon. What's the temperature at 12 noon? At 12 noon, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, right? So it is 10 degrees Celsius. From 12 noon to midnight, how many hours are in between 12 noon to midnight? That is 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. How many hours are in between that? 12 hours. Okay, it is 12 hours. So temperature decrease in 1 hour is minus 2 degrees Celsius, right? It is decreasing to minus 2 degrees Celsius. So temperature decrease in 1 hour is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Next, we are going to find temperature decrease in 12 hours. Okay, temperature decrease in 12 hours. I'm writing the next page. Temperature decrease in 12 hours is equal to 1 hour. It is decreasing to minus 2 degrees Celsius. So we are going to find the temperature decrease in 12 hours. That is 12 into minus 2. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24 degrees Celsius. Minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, we are going to find the temperature at midnight. Temperature at midnight is equal to temperature at 12 noon minus temperature degrees in 12 hours. Okay, temperature at 12 noon minus temperature degrees in 12 hours. What is the temperature at 12 noon? Temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius, right? So 10 degrees Celsius plus temperature degrees in 12 hours, that is minus 24 degrees Celsius. So 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. What is the answer? 10 minus 24. 24 minus 10 is 40. Next, we need to put the greater number sign. So minus 14 degrees Celsius. So temperature at midnight is temperature at midnight is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Do you all understand? Do you all understand? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt in this problem means please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, very very important problem. Both are similar methods, but in the first question we have found it at how much time. We have found the time taken. In this question we have found the exact time. There is the only difference. Others and all same. Okay. Okay, revise all the problem and write in your note. If you have any doubt means please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay students, thank you all.